welcome to Alpine4. We are very glad you chose to be with us here today. If you are a new shareholder or employee, we would love to connect with you. For new shareholders, you can email us at investorrelations@alpine4.com, and we will add you to our email and news updates. As you may know from our most recent 8K filing, Alpine4 has completed its purchase of Excel Fabrication of Twin Falls, Idaho. Excel Fabrication has been servicing Idaho, Nevada, and Utah for over 12 years and has developed a reputation for excellence and expertise in the industrial services industry. Since its inception in 2008, it has built itself into a powerhouse for companies in the food, energy, and manufacturing industries that need highly skilled craftsmen to provide plant maintenance to keep their operations going, and for new plant infrastructure to help them grow. Customers ranging from Idaho Power to Sargento Foods, Kraft, and many other great companies. Excel is the go-to industrial service company in their market. Excel will be the first industrial services company in our fast-growing A4 Construction Services holding subsidiary, and will add a new elemental offering to what Deluxe Sheet Metal and More Sheet Metal provide for A4 Construction Services. Now let's take a deeper look into Excel Fabrication and what it means for Alpine4, A4 Construction Services in 2020 and beyond.
Now let's talk a little bit about Excel Fabrication. It is located in Twin Falls, Idaho, and was founded in 2008. They primarily provide services to major food, energy, mining, and manufacturing companies in the Western United States. I have been basically looking for a company like Excel since our founding in 2014, for the primary reason that companies that serve the industrial services industry tend to be recession resilient. Basically, in a recession, companies want to fix what they have, and during economic growth, they want to expand. Further, organizations that use the services of companies like Excel are typically governed by federal regulators such as the FDA and EPA, and they're mandated to maintain their plants. Couple those mandated facility improvements and an ever-growing demand for food and energy, and Alpine4 has a strong foothold in a high-demand industry. And we see this as a long-term win-win for Alpine4 and our shareholders. Another exciting thing about the Excel acquisition is the synergistic opportunities that exist between it and its sister companies, Deluxe Sheet Metal and More Sheet Metal. When you combine the economic buying power of A4 Construction Services and all of its holdings and the customers generated between all three companies, you begin to see a mosaic of opportunities that exist, ranging from additional sales opportunities between the companies to increased efficiencies, and most importantly, and what's something we drive a lot here at Alpine4, is generating a unique competitive advantage. Adding to those synergies, it is my expectation that Excel will develop into a national brand and has the opportunity to develop into a major provider of industrial services in the United States. When I look at companies to buy, one question I ask is, can it grow to $25 million in revenue? I firmly believe that Excel Fabrication, given the correct opportunities and investment structure, can grow to a company in excess of $100 million and provide solid returns for our shareholders, and will be a crown jewel in A4 Construction Services.
I hope that you all see what we see in Excel Fabrication. I encourage all shareholders and Alpine4 employees to send words of encouragement to the employees of Excel Fabrication via the Alpine4 Twitter and Facebook pages. This is new for them, and I hope that you will extend them a warm and positive welcome. Thanks again for joining us today, and from my family to yours, we wish you guys the very best.